Look at you. Look at his nose like a cow. Is this a cow? Ah, ah, ah. That was scary. Oh, he got you dirty. This got mud. Whoa, he just hit me with his horn. I'm sorry. Feed it, John. He's dirty. It's a good boy, though. Big boy.
What?
Did he sneeze? Yeah. Yeah. I ain't feed. He's too dirty. I'm just gonna throw his food for him. He's too like aggressive. You too aggressive, boy.
With my hand on.
Right. We just gonna talk.
I think so.
Yeah, we just gonna toss. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come on. Look at the big one.
100 years old.
Yeah, he look ancient. Old man cow.